Hello, party people. What's going on, everybody? First live stream on YouTube. So much better than the Facebook. I'm trying to figure some stuff out, just in case I do have some people stop by for the chat. And I'm trying to get it on my screen so I can actually see it without actually disrupting the broadcast. Oh, I know what I can do. Hold on. So there's like an app. By the way, welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. I'm David, your favorite, not really favorite, but your favorite XRP guy, but not your favorite XRP guy, because there's so many other great, wonderful XRP guys out there, and yeah. But I'm sorry, I'm just sidetracked. I'm trying to kill some time. I totally should have had this set up before the stream, but you know, it is what it is. So what I'm trying to do, okay, yeah. So Streamlabs. Oh wait, I'm trying to talk over music here. Okay, let's turn the music down. Down. Alright. So, Streamlabs actually has an app, and you can connect to Streamlabs, and you can, change all the, change between all the screens and all that through the app. And, I'm having an issue as far as getting that connected right now. But as soon as we get that done today, we'll go over some charts. We'll go over the market, do a little market overview, look at some market caps and all that. And then we will look at some charts, and then we'll get into some news, some Ripple, SEC versus Ripple news. Trying to find the QR code for this stream here. so that I can actually not the stream, but the remote control. There we go. All right. Oh wait. Here we go. Come on. There we go. So. Ba, 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 ba. Anybody out there Titans fans? It's connecting. See, it's connecting. Failed. Is it because I'm already? Oh wait, I'm not on. Why? I'm so confused. If this doesn't work this time, then I'll just have to give up, I guess, because we need to get this stream on the road and get this thing going on a beautiful Saturday afternoon in the South in Tennessee. Speaking of Tennessee, there's a state in Tennessee that has decided that or the mayor of that city has come out and said that they will now start allowing taxes be paid in Bitcoin. So that's just the first of many steps for adoption, but I think that that's awesome. It's a city of only 67,000 people, so that'll be cool. But so we'll see how that goes. It's Jackson, Tennessee is only like an hour from me, so I could just go out there one day and talk to some people and see how that goes. To scan the QR code and Streamlabs OBS, the full power of our. See, the last time I did this, it was like instant connection, so I don't understand what the issue is right now. So, if I could just get this dang thing, do it, man. Like, is it? It's because I'm already streaming, isn't it? I should have done this before stream. Oh well. All right. We'll just move on from that. I guess I'll just have to do some craziness here. Maybe I'll just do this, do that. Why did you Streamlabs doesn't do the whole screen like that? Okay, whatever. All right, so let's just get into this. All right, I'm done with this. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. There we go. All right, that'll work. Let's see. Can I get a chat? Where is the chat? Where's the chat? Oh, there's the chat. All right, cool. We good. We're good. We're good. We're going. We're going. We're going now. All right, guys. Welcome to Lunar Beach's Crypto first live stream on the channel, and this should be fun. I did not plan this, so we are just gonna we're just gonna do it, man. Like we're gonna do this together. If you have any questions or if you want to talk, just hit up that chat, man. Just hit up that chat. Let me know. Let's talk. If you want me to go over some kind of coin, we can go over it. I know more about stuff that's on my watch list than I do just some random coins. I'm not much of a what do you call it? A moon boy. I'm not much of a moon boy, so I don't like the shilling of like little, crap coins or meme coins or anything like that. But some people like them. I'm just not one of those. So, like, I missed the boat on Doge, and I could have got like $70,000 off of that, but that's all fine and dandy. Stuff happens. It's whatever. But anyway, let's go over into the market cap. All right, this is from CoinGecko, going over the top 10 at first. I wonder if I should turn the music down, but we'll see. I'm gonna turn it down. Let's just turn it off. There we go. All right, coming in number one, as usual, everybody's favorite, not so favorite. Oh my God, Siri, shut up. Everybody's favorite crypto, maybe, but not really. BTC, Bitcoin. has a market capitalization of $596 billion. I believe that was 600 something billion just the other day. So Bitcoin just keeps falling, man. It is what it is. Here we go. So we've got Bitcoin coming in with a market capitalization of 596.8 billion, down 6.2 on the 7-day. Yeah, 24-hour down 0.5%. Last hour's up 0.6%. So not really doing too well. Bitcoin not looking great. We'll go over that in the chat or in the charts. Ethereum coming in at number 2, as usual, 222 billion with a negative 11.4% on the 7-day. So it's down even almost twice as much as Bitcoin. Yeah, that's just crazy to me. Yeah, so I found this other website, or somebody shared this link to me of this website called Nomics, and it actually shows at number 3. Let me just go ahead and click on it. Nomics crypto market caps. So I don't know where this comes from. I don't know if this is a Richard Hart thing. 7-day prediction. Oh, see, I don't know, but see, we got Hex up here at number 3, which is a Richard Hart project, and a lot of people consider it a scam. Um, I don't think I'm one of those people. I just really don't know if it is a scam. I don't see how locking up Hex for 15 years that like you can't get out of without paying penalties is yeah, I don't see how that's a negative. So I don't know. That I think the main contention with it is that it is 40% of the supply is owned by one address, or at least stored in one address. So maybe that's people's problem with it. All I know is that uh let's see. All I know is that Hex looks freaking beautiful. You can't even see the bars on the screen. That's kind of weird. Maybe I should fill these in instead of having them uh not full. Let's just do this so you can actually see. Yeah. So Hex has actually been doing pretty well this past week. Let's see, ever since what was Monday, the 12th or the 11th? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's the 12th. Ever since Monday, let's just go with the open. 98.47% ever since Monday. And I first introduced people in the Lunar Beaches Crypto Facebook group to Hex on Monday. And had anybody bought in at that time, they would be absolutely loving me right now. So, because they would have almost pretty much doubled their money. And they would have doubled their money here and here. But hey, some things people just don't want to risk, and then the same people will sit there and throw a ton of money into the same people will sit there and throw a bunch of money into Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, so it's just like, I mean, whatever. I guess you don't like gains, or I guess you just, I mean, just you can just hop from one thing to the next. Like, get you some. Don't do it in the middle of a pump. Not financial advice. Don't do it in the middle of a pump. Actually, you know what? That is financial. No, it's not. It's advice. It's just advice. Don't throw money into the middle of a pump. Don't FOMO into anything, because that's how you lose money. But yeah, so Hex looks good. The MACD's looking great on it. The RSI is like up, like just off the charts, really. So I don't see much downside on Hex in the near future. It looks like it's just pumping. So that looks good right there. Let's see here. let's go back to the CoinGecko. So that's Hex. That's a little bit of Hex. That's all I'll talk about it today. Yeah, that's just what it is. So we got USDT at number 3, BNB at number 4, ADA Cardano at number 5 with $37.9 billion. A lot of institutions getting into Cardano, and they're driving that price down. It's $1.18, guys. I can't explain to you enough how much of a discount that is for Cardano. Cardano is going to take over. It will be a top 5 coin for years to come, and if not top 4, top 3. So I mean, you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and XRP. Like, those 4 are the big boys. Everybody else is below them, in my opinion. So that's just my opinion. But everything else is just, it's not garbage, but it's just, those are my long terms. I think those are gonna stick around for a while, for sure. So, we got XRP that's almost $11 billion less than Cardano as far as market capitalization. But this is according to CoinGecko, so I'm not sure how accurate that number is, but you know, it is it is what it is. And then we've got USDC, USDT, Binance Coin, all in the top 10, and Binance USD, all in the top 10. I think Binance Coin actually is, it's not a stable coin, so it's a real coin. I think I'm pretty sure it runs its own blockchain, so I guess it deserves to be in the top 10. But the stable coins, I don't know why they put these in the rankings. It makes no sense to me why they put the stable coins in the rankings. They should maybe be put in their own category, in their own rankings or whatever. So, because they're not like projects. They're not like real projects. They're just there to help stabilize the market, I guess. That's why they call them stable coins. So if we took those out, that would put Binance Coin at number 4, Cardano at number. Oh wait, no. Binance Coin at number 3, Cardano at number 4, XRP at number 5. Take out USDC. That puts Doge at number 6, DOT at number 7, no BUSD, Uniswap at number 8. Wait, I said Doge number 7, DOT at number 8, Uniswap at number 9, Bitcoin Cash at number 10. Bitcoin Cash still in the top 10 of crypto if we take out the stable coins. Bitcoin Cash still in the top 10 of crypto. And people are sleeping on it. It's got $8.2 billion in it, and people are sleeping on it. So and then you got Litecoin right outside of that also. I mean, I know this is like older money, but come on, guys. Solana's a great project. That would put Solana at like number 12. It's at number 14. You got Link at number 15. Chainlink, those are great projects. XLM is up. It was at like 20, maybe 20 the other day. It is up. It's gaining some ground, but it is still down 6.5% on the 7-day. Ethereum Classic still in the top 20. And Polygon Matic, they need to change that ticker at some point, but I think because that's just confusing, and it's just because Matic was like the name of their old project or their old name, and then they changed it to Polygon, like a rebranding, I guess, and they just didn't change the ticker symbol, so it's really weird. I don't know why they didn't do that. So, but yeah, guys, if you enjoy the content that you watch today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I go live or drop new videos. Please hit that like button, and also just comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Ask me questions. Just, do what everybody else does normally in a chat. So, chats, I think, help liven up live streams. Chats help liven up videos in general. And I just like hearing from other people. So, let's tell me where you're from. Tell me if you're from the States, what country you're from. I just want to build this community up, and yeah, I think that'd be fun. I want to see where you guys are from. That's cool. All right, where are we at? All right, let's go over to the charts. All right. I don't know why that was popped up. All right, so there was Hex. I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin. All right, so one thing that I did want to show, if I can get rid of this for Bitcoin. Uh, so so if you notice, I have changed up my Fibonacci's, uh, because I wanted to show the golden pocket, which to me is between the 618 and the 786, and then you got your 702 right in the middle there. As you can see, Bitcoin has fallen, hit that 702. This is based off of uh, I, I'll show you what it's based off of. Okay, so so we've got Bitcoin right here, right? So I'm gonna go over here, and I just want you guys to be able to see where I'm coming from on this, okay? So if you invert the Bitcoin scale, you get this, right? So it looks like it's going up when it's really going down, or right now, I guess right now it's technically going up, but anywho, when you see this go up like this, oh, my ticker actually worked. I actually put my ticker on over my face. That's cool. Let's take that off. All right. So, all right. Yeah, yeah. All right. So, let me just take this off real quick. There we go. All right. So, what I did was I went to the top here because it's the highest top in a while, right? And then we had a breakdown. And then I put the fib, started there, down to here. And then, what do you know? Bitcoin reacted to the 702. It came down into the golden pocket, and now it is breaking back down. So, if you guys have been following me at all before, that's the only thing that I don't like. I don't like the fact that I got this monitor over here and I'm looking over here, but I'm looking off the side of the video. So maybe I should just take myself off of here because I don't like it. There we go. All right, so you see what happened was this is like a pump, right? And then a breakdown. Why is the line doing that? That's so weird. What? There's some weird stuff going on today. Okay, guys, I don't understand, but it is what it is. So we got this pump, and that's where I laid out my fib is based off of this right here. Now, I'm calling it a pump. Remember, this is an inverted scale. So this is what it really looks like in real life, whereas we've just been kind of, in a downtrend, and then we've actually just been trading sideways. We're on the daily here, so we've been trading mostly sideways, but kind of like in this downward trend right here. And overall, we're just in a downtrend, but over the last few weeks, we've just been going just down, 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 and we've been trying to find our actual bottom, right? So, and I hope that we've found it. Now we could break down further. We could come back all the way down here, retest this right here, retest this support, and to retest that fib. We could even go down to here and test the 1.618 also. But what I wanted to show you guys, because I've shown you guys several times, or at least those that have been following me on Facebook for a little while, is that 702, which is critical. So if we go and we look at the inverted scale, then and I set up the fibs, then we have completed a 702 retracement. We came up pretty pretty much just hit it nail on the head, and then we fell out, right? And now we're falling. Hopefully, we're just going to fall down and come back down and retest this area. Now, if I draw a line on this, or I'm going to do an arrow, which I have right here. And if we come down here to retest this line, then in reality, what we're doing, oh, I took it off log. What we are doing when I invert the scale is shooting back up. So, I don't know if that's what's going to happen. We can take a look. MACD doesn't look good. This is a bearish cross right here. Down here on the RSI, we're below the 50, which indicates we are still in a downtrend, which means we are bearish. Above the 50 is bullish, below the 50 is bearish. And then we have on the MACD, we have across here these moving averages. Now, these are lagging indicators, so that means that likely we found a bottom right here. So I'm hoping that that's the case. The 31,000 level's been tested and defended by bulls very well. So, and for a long period of time. Now, this isn't the first time that this level's been touched. We have hit it multiple times recently, at least right here, but it looks like we might actually be getting some kind of spring out of here. So that would be nice if we could just get up out of here and get this show back on the road. If we were to do that, I believe it would be probably going to be a long, grueling grind out of here. Something resembling this, maybe not to that extent, but it's not going to be just, I don't think so. I don't think that's going to be the case. If it was, it'd probably come up, maybe test, and then test this line, and then get out of there. What we want to see, I believe, is for us to come up all the way up here and test, and then keep going up, test right here, because I'm testing this level right here. So if we come up here, come back down, test this level, come up, test this level, make sure we got some support, and then just keep on rocking. So that's what we're hoping for with Bitcoin. What are we looking at on the Bitcoin dominance? Let's take a look. So we've got Bitcoin dominance at 46.43. And what Bitcoin dominance is Bitcoin dominance is how much of the market share is made up of Bitcoin. So of the what is it now? 1.2, man, it's gone down over 100 billion, if not $200 billion this week. So it's up 1.32% on the day. So I guess we'll see. But yeah, so Bitcoin, the dominance means that Bitcoin makes up 46.44% of that $1.284 trillion. So Bitcoin dominance looks like it is. What's it doing now? I'm going to go to the daily so we can have a good look. All right. Right now, it's not really, you can't really tell what it's doing. Okay, it is red, so it is dropping a little bit. But you can see that it had been picking up some steam, gaining its dominance back, and then had some volatile days as far as dominance goes. Let me go back up. Let's see what we look like here. Yeah. So I've been liking we've been seeing a little bit more volatility lately, which has been nice because it's kind of boring when like this right here, anything that's kind of flat or like this hammer, like these days are just really small candles and wicks like this one and this one and this one and the one that's forming today. Like They're just really boring. They're just boring. I have a group text with a couple friends of mine, and they were talking this morning just about how boring crypto was, and they were talking about getting back into this traditional stock market. But I mean, it's fine. It's their money. They can do with it what they want. And I get it. I mean, price action in crypto has been pretty boring, except for like Hex and Neum, XEM. This one has been pumping this week as well. Let's see. Let's start on the 11th. If we start on Sunday, well, actually, I could just go to the weekly chart and look at that. Oof. What are we up on the week? I mean, 34.5% on the week. I mean, there's still stuff out there pumping. And that's just on my watch list. Like, what if I go and look up other stuff? Let's see here. I'm just going to look over to the side here, see what's going on. Let's see, 7-day. Oh, look at that. XCM is good on the 7-day, 34.6%. I'm getting a FaceTime from my fiance. Hey, babe, I'm live. Love you, bye. That's funny. XEM, Neum, yeah, 34.6% on the 7-day, 17% on the 24-hour. I mean, there's still stuff out there, guys. Like, it's not, is she gonna text me? Okay, yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. It is what it happens, All right, so anyway, where am I going with this? Um, but yeah, there's still stuff out there. Doge is up 8% on the day. Oh wait, why is it showing? Oh, this is the week. Look at that. This is the Coinbase. That's why it looks like this. Let me go to sure. Let's do Bittrex. Is this log? Yeah. So Doge, old Doge, and this is the weekly. And it's just been terrible. Let's go to the daily. Doge, you suck. What is this? It actually looks a lot like let's see, let's go look at Stellar. Stellar looks pretty similar. We've got, instead of like one big pump, we got pump here, a little down pump, little stair steps. Like Stellar's was doing almost the exact same pattern over and over and over again. Maybe. Ooh. I think I've seen something. If I can find why, I don't remember. I think it's in the, yeah. So we came up. Oh, I need to change the color on this for sure. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Maybe huge pump. Oh, no. Is there going to be one where you guys can see it better? Probably not. Let me make it thick. Can I make it thick? Can I make that thing thick? No, I can't do it on that one. Orange. Can you see? Let me look. Yeah, I can. So yeah, we've got, as you can see, XLM pump. Lose like 60% pump. Lose like 50% pump. Lose like 30% pump. Lose like 20% pump. Lose 60% or so. And then maybe we just pump again. I would like it. My Coinbase card would like it. I would like that 4% pump. Or not pump. Pump. I would like a pump. 4%. Get my 4% back on and Stellar. That'd be cool. Anyway, all right, guys. So, sorry about that. All right, so went over a little bit of the charts, but I just want to start talking about something else. I want to talk about XRP and what's going on with the Ripple, the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. So this is what happened, okay, guys? So back in December, I think it was December 22nd, right before Christmas, the SEC decides, and Jay Clayton decides that he wants to slap a lawsuit on Ripple the day before he leaves office. And that is a big problem. A lot of people were probably going to take some money out of their XRP, maybe a little bit, to pay for like some Christmas stuff, whatever. Then let me go ahead and give some chart. Display this one. So this is XRP. Let me go back. Let me find December. Can you tell? Can you see when it was? Can you see when the SEC news came out about the lawsuit? Can you see that? It was December 22nd, right here. So we were just, kind of going sideways. We got a little pump here, and then we're just like, yada, 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 doing our little, it's XRP, it kind of just like floats along for a little while, and then it pumps up, and then floats around for a little while, and then pumps up. That's just what it does. But then the SEC lawsuit dropped, and then you have this right here. Now remember, and it came all the way down to here. Now remember, the SEC is supposed to be out for the investors. SEC.gov, is that going to be it? Is that going to be the website? Securing, the SEC enforces the securities laws. Hold on, where's their mission? I think they have like a mission statement on here. About careers, commissions, contact, reports, securities laws, what we do. No. I've given you plenty of feedback on Twitter, SEC. At the Securities and Exchange Commission, we work together to make a positive impact on America's economy, our capital markets, and people's lives. More than 85 years since our founding at the height of the Great Depression, we have stayed true to our mission of protecting investors, maintaining fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and facilitating capital formation. Our mission requires tireless commitment and unique expertise from our staff of dedicated professionals, what up, Moon Lambo? Shout out. Who care deeply about protecting Main Street investors and others who rely on our markets to secure their financial futures. People invested in XRP, especially the ones, 17,000 plus of them, that have filed with John Deaton a motion to intervene in the SEC lawsuit, would disagree with you. So, because billions of dollars have been lost because of this absolutely bogus lawsuit. I won't say it is. I mean, it is what it is, but it's just like, man, it should have never been. It is what it is, but it should have never been. And, it's just sad. So, anyway, so we have the lawsuit slapped December 22nd with the SEC coming out saying that XRP, or that Ripple, committed $1.3 billion in the illegal sales of an unregistered security, which is the sale, and they're saying that the sales of XRP, that's the security that they were talking about. The XRP is the security in and of itself, was their argument. And the way that this whole lawsuit, look, the way that this whole lawsuit has played out really just makes me think that this was all just like set up. I just I don't see how the SEC could be that terrible at making an argument and then drag in, uh, two CEOs. I don't know what is Chris Larson there. I know Brad Garlinghouse is a CEO. I know so much about them, but I don't know their official Chris Larson's official position. But anyway, I know he was a co-founder. Um, and but if they really wanted to hammer these guys, I'm kind of surprised that they decided to add Garlinghouse and Larson to the lawsuit. And it just feels like, because that makes it harder for the SEC to prove their point, because they have to prove that Garlinghouse and Larson had the intention of selling, or knew that they were selling, unregistered securities, which is very difficult to prove given that the SEC never told Ripple that they were selling. They allowed the sales of XRP to go on for 8 years before slapping a lawsuit on them. 7 years before slapping a lawsuit on them. Like, it is ridiculous. It makes no sense whatsoever. Like, how do you wait 7 years, let a business operate for 7 years selling XRP, their own XRP? I mean, and then come after them 7 years later and say, you should have known. You should have known you were selling a security. I know you came to us all the time asking for clarity, and, we didn't give it to you. And, oh, by the way, I am speaking into this mic correctly. It's not up top because this is this is for recording music and vocals. And so, if anybody wants to send me an actual like podcast mic where, the one. Oh, I'm sorry if that was loud. The ones that like sit like right like this. That would be a lot cooler and a lot more convenient. But one day I'll get one. But anyway. But yeah, so, the SEC is just like, you should have known. How did you not know? How did you not know that XRP was a security? Like, that's on you, bro. Like, that's on you. Sorry, I'm fixing. Oh no, that was live. But yeah, so where was I? Sorry, that that whole thing just messed me up. Oh, that's hilarious. Did my face turn red? Am I getting? Oh god. Anyway, so yeah, the SEC is just like, you should have known. You should have known, even though you came to us looking for clarity, and we said we hadn't made a decision yet, and then you slap a lawsuit on us. Now, I don't know whether to feel bad for these lawyers, because it seems like, I mean, they just got to know that this whole thing is a bunch of BS, because if they don't, then they're not very intelligent people, but they're lawyers, so you would think that they're somewhat intelligent. Or they just don't care. Maybe they just don't care. I mean, they are lawyers, so maybe they just don't care. But anyway, so, the lawsuit goes on. People have been getting, that Ripple's been winning. Ripple's won probably, a majority of the actions taken that have been happening in this lawsuit, of these motions. There we go. That's what I was looking for. So Ripple's been winning most of the motions in this lawsuit. And on Thursday, they just got a really big one. And that is that but yeah, so basically it's just been going back and forth between the SEC and Ripple, and they just it's and all of the SEC's arguments are completely bogus. There's no way that they could prove that XRP was a security, and because it just wasn't. I mean, now if they want to say that the sales that Ripple has made until a certain point. I'm not sure when, but if they want to say that those sales were unregistered securities, sales of unregistered securities, fine. Give them a slap on the wrist. It's fine. Move on. But the thing is, I don't know that Ripple. I think the reason why they haven't reached a settlement to this point is because Ripple hasn't been given clarity still. And Ripple has said numerous times that their plan is to come out of this lawsuit with some kind of clarity. So they might get it with this latest news. They might get that settlement with clarity with this latest news about Bill Hinman, William Hinman, former chair of the SEC. Uh, because the former chair of the SEC, William Hinman, is, I don't want to say a dirtbag or untrustworthy or sleazy, because I don't know if any of that stuff is true. However, some things just don't add up. And one of those things is the fact that William Hinman worked he worked at a firm, and no, it was Simpson Thatcher, I think. Simpson Thatcher. He left there to become the head of the SEC. He was still getting paid by them, I think by contract or maybe it was a severance pay. I'm not sure what it was, but he was getting paid by them. And if you didn't know, Simpson Thatcher has holdings in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, I can't remember how long ago it was. Maybe it was 2016, 2017. William Hinman, maybe 2018, came out with a speech declaring Bitcoin and Ethereum to not be securities. Interesting. Very interesting. While he's still getting paid, like a little over a million or 3 million, something like that. But he's still getting paid at least $1 million a year by Simpson Thatcher while he's the head, or while he's at the SEC. He wasn't the head, but he was a chair. But while he's a chair at the SEC, and he was making these statements about Bitcoin and Ethereum as if it was just fact, and he was saying that we don't believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum are securities. We believe that they are whatever, virtual currencies or something. But he kept saying we. Now, actually, I don't even know if that was his speech. That might have been his live TV interview that he had when he was saying we this and we that, we don't believe. Now imagine being Ripple. Imagine being retail investors. And you have a chair of the SEC come out and say, we believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. What do you think the market, because that's what the companies and the retail investors and everybody in the crypto are, they are the market. What do you think the market is supposed to believe when the chair of the SEC comes out and says something like that? And he says, we. Are they not going to think that that's an official position? That the inside of the SEC thinks these things? Who wrote the speech? Who wrote the speech? Who went over the speech? Was it someone at the SEC? Did the SEC help Hinman write, or not Hinman? Yeah. Help Hinman write that speech? Did the SEC go over the speech before he went out and publicly stated those things about Bitcoin and Ethereum? I think that those might be questions asked in the deposition. They should be asked in the deposition. And look, it looks like the SEC and Ripple agreed to extend the time for the deposition. I think it was moved to the 27th of this month. So let's get into this. So I just want to show you guys what is coming up. By the way, guys, while I got you here, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Give me a second while I look this up. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. All right, so let's go on over here. All right, so coming up, actually, this one's first. Let's go here. So we have Grayscale Bitcoin Trust share unlock looms as senator announces investment. So we had a senator come out this week, a U.S. senator come out this week. Senator Patrick Toomey declares that he invests in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust Fund, or at least I know he invests in Bitcoin, but whatever. So we have that, and tomorrow, the 18th, Grayscale is unlocking upwards of, I think it's like 40,000. It's in here, right here. As the infamous Grayscale Bitcoin Trust reaches anticipated 6-month lockup maturity, Grayscale shares GBTC, equivalent to more than 40,000 BTC Bitcoin, are due to be unlocked for investors. So, essentially, Grayscale is going to unlock. They're going to just basically almost, they're not really going to flood the market with BTC because it's GBTC. So a lot of people are trying to, say, trying to distinguish if this is FUD or good news. Like trying to go back between the two. I say, I don't really know. I think that the Grayscale unlocking is already baked into the price of Bitcoin at this moment. So I don't really see this having really much, if any, effect on the market. But we'll see. It's tomorrow. They unlock 40,000 GBTC for the public to come in and buy. And I'm not sure. Let's see. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has grown to become the world's largest crypto asset fund and is backed by holdings in excess of 650,000 Bitcoin, accounting for around 3% of Bitcoin's total supply. The fund is primarily used as an institutional level as a means of investing in Bitcoin without actually holding it, with the shares representing the value of the underlying Bitcoin. GBTC traditionally trades at a premium to the native asset value (NAV) pricing for Bitcoin. However, 2021 has seen a persistent discount relative to its NAV. Yeah, that's another thing. So, they would be unlocking this trust. Oh, wait. They're unlocking this trust. That's not what I wanted. Oh, stupid. All right, so let me just put this into perspective. What am I on, the daily? Yeah. All right, so what happened was, let me get rid of this. All right, so right up in here, I saw this on Blockchain Backers video. I think it's either yesterday or Thursday. Heck, it might have even been Wednesday. I don't really know at this point. Days are weird. So, but I know that the Bitcoin, or the Grayscale, bought the Bitcoin that they have right now in this range, somewhere in this range over here, and they're opening up here. Now, if you look in between that, you can see that they're actually unlocking that Bitcoin, and it's at a lower premium than it was before. So they're actually going to be losing money on this move, and that might have been on purpose. Somebody might have pushed that price down, maybe screw over Grayscale. That could be the case, which would be kind of cool. So I think we got this Grayscale stuff going on, right? Then, just a few days after that, we have the B word going on, right? And the B word is a Bitcoin conference. It's put on by Ark Invest. I guess these are the sponsors: Ark Invest, Square, and Paradigm. About the B word. The B word is a Bitcoin focused initiative that aims to demystify and destigmatize mainstream narratives about Bitcoin, explain how institutions can and should embrace it, and raise awareness around areas of the network that need support. The B word will launch on July 21st, 2021, offering a live experience and a library of content to the investor community, enabling a more informed discussion about the role Bitcoin can serve for institutions across the globe. And you have people like Kathy Wood, founder and CEO and CIO of Ark Invest, Jack Dorsey, CEO of Square and creator of Twitter, John Newberry, director of Brink, Adam Back, co-founder and CEO of Blockstream, Lynn Alden, founder of Lynn Alden Investment Strategy, and Nick Carter, founding partner of Castle Island Ventures, and co-founder and chairman of Coinmetrics. Coinmetrics is awesome. But so this is a nice lineup, especially with the Jack Dorsey and Kathy Wood. And maybe, now it's not official, but they talked about it on Twitter. Uh, Maybe Elon Musk is going to be there. So we'll have to wait and see on that. But this is big. I mean, this is big. If you Jack Dorsey's involved, so you know it's going to be all over Twitter. Bitcoin's going to be all over Twitter. You have this unlocking of Bitcoin Trust, so you're going to have an unlocking of Bitcoin supply. It is Grayscale. It is GBTC, so you have to go through them to buy it. Um, and that's another reason why people don't like it, because don't like Grayscale, is because it's kind of like centralizing Bitcoin and other cryptos. So I don't know. I don't care where you're at on that. You can have your own opinion. I'm just here to make money, and I hope you are too. So yeah. But I do want to help people get that money. So, so you got the grayscale unlocking. You got this right here, and then you have the deposition of Hinman coming up. I mean, you just have all these fireworks going off within the next couple of weeks, and we're pushing towards the end of July. And I'm telling you guys, I don't know how this breaks down from here. We've defended this level pretty well, or at least the Bulls have. The Bulls have defended this level pretty well, and it's about time for I'm thinking Wyckoff. I think we're still in Wyckoff accumulation, and I think we're just waiting for that spring. And we just need something to create that spring. And because right now, really, what it is about is that the market is bored. People are bored. The retail investor is bored. They've left the space. Like most people are gone. And I'm here basically almost essentially talking to myself. And that's fine. That's fine with me. And one day, hopefully, people come across my channel and they enjoy stuff. And because right now, I kind of like the fact that nobody's watching, because I'm being able to work out the kinks and work on my speaking and the way I, just put on the show and all that stuff. So, because this is all a learning experience, you can't just start streaming or just start up YouTube, and most people can't anyway, and just be like natural at it and just be really good at it, especially when you don't have like your own producer, like you are your own producer and stuff like that. So, oh man, that triple espresso hasn't really kicked in, but so yeah, I mean, I'm thinking that we're going to get out of here eventually, because you just gotta look at the fibs, man, like, or gal. I'm gonna take this off of here. Take this off of here. All right. Now, if you go by the rally prior to capitulation, like blockchain backer does, then right here, you already see that we've already completed a full extension. Now, even blockchain backer thinks that we still have this left. We still have this left to go. We still have a move towards the upside to go and to finish off around up here, most likely. So we could finish off anywhere between, 80, I'm going to say 85, because we could overextend. Just because of momentum, pure momentum could have us overextend, and then we will finally fall over and really have a big capitulation event, but really have like a real, um, what do you call it? A real retracement, because this one just kind of went down and it never came back up. It never came back up. So, and you can see that happening, and we never really had the blow off top either. So if we come in here and we look at this, this is what it usually looks like. It looks like you get one nice big push up, you fall down, and you retrace to the golden pocket area. Now, this isn't going to be this, but it's actually going to be that. So if you can see that, it's inside. It actually nails the 702 and then breaks down. And we didn't have that. We did not have that this go around. Right here, we just didn't. It fell down here. That's not even, what is that? I mean, that is a 26% drop, but that's not the big dramatic. How much was this one? Let me see. I might be talking out the side of my neck. I might be. Probably not. But see, this one was a 50 or 43% drop. Like now that's a dramatic drop. That's what I expect from after a blow off top. And this is a blow off top with no like real retracement. So what I'm thinking that we are going to do is we're going to come in here and we're just kind of, and then end it. Maybe, man, 2022. I mean, we could go in. People say that this cycle could be longer, or it could just come up real quick. And this is October. This is September, end of November, or going into November towards the middle, and then crashing. I can see that. I can see that playing out, because institutions that got in last year around September, they're going to hold on to their Bitcoin until September, because that means it's been a year, and that means they pay less in capital gains taxes. And that's how they work. And that's how you should work too. Swim with the whales. Swim with the institutions. Holy crap. Dogecoin was up was it up 18% at the beginning of the stream, or was it just 8? Because it is. Oh, man. Doge is pumping. Look at that. Ain't that something? That's a nice green candle. Completely engulfing this one. Huh. I wonder, has Elon Musk tweeted about it? Is that what's going on here? Wouldn't surprise me. Of course, I haven't gotten an alert, because I definitely have Elon Musk alerts set, because I want to know when he says something, because he's been a pretty good indicator of when things pump and when things dump. So, or are about to. All right. Looks like people are talking about Doge pumping. Was there like some kind of news or something? Oh, God, I'm getting so sick of some of this vaccine stuff. Just shut up. Well, that's a pretty cool shirt. Those are dope. Those are dope. Jeremy Hogan shared this. Thank you, Digital Nomad Investments, for the awesome his and her XRP shirts that came today. You didn't have to, but I do appreciate it. We will be styling this weekend. Hey, I'm a reporter at Business Insider. Could you message me the details for the next meeting phase and when is it? No hearing currently set, I believe. Okay. Man, those are cool shirts. I like that. I like the shirts. Gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme. In 2004, I don't know who this guy is. In 2004, Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos met for a meal to discuss space. It was one of their few in person interactions. That conversation perfectly captures the different approaches they've taken to space and why SpaceX has pulled ahead of Blue Origin. Here's the story. I'm not going to get into that. I'm going to see if there's anything on here worth talking about. I just heard BTC maxis on Clubhouse agree that a bear market is bullish. Wow. Bitcoin maxi is a terrible human being. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything of relevance, so I'm just gonna, yeah, notifications. All right, so I guess I should just wrap this up for now. I might do a live stream later, maybe actually go over some stuff before I come on live. I just wanted to get one out there, get one stream out, get it really feeling it, you know. By the way, tighten up. Got Julio Jones, baby, and Derrick Henry. And we're gonna run all over people. I don't know. I don't know why I did that. That was so totally random. But dang, Doge is pumping 19%. Neum 16% since 7 p.m. yesterday. So on the daily. So that's gonna be it for me, guys. If you like the content, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Ding! I don't have the sound effects yet. To be notified, or if I ever will. I don't know if I ever will. To be notified when I go live and when I put new content out. If you like it, please subscribe and all that good all that good stuff. Yeah. And I would like, hopefully, to see some stuff in the comments next time or anytime. Just talk to me. Let me know what you guys think. I love feedback. I just want to hear what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think about the XRP lawsuit. Let me know what you think about what this market. Are we in a bull market? Are we in a bear market? Are we in a mini bear market? Are we going to go up from here? Are we going to go down? Just let me get your opinions, guys. I want to go over them and I want to talk about them and I want to, form this Lunar Beaches crypto community. As I've said in the Lunar Beaches crypto Facebook group, we are family. We're all family. We're all trying to go in the same direction, and that direction is to the moon. I said I'm not a moon boy, and I'm not, because I don't shill crap coins, one. For two, I don't always tell you what you want to hear. I will tell you sometimes what you don't want to hear. It might be even most of the time, because everybody wants to be a moon boy. Everybody wants numbers go up. And sometimes that's just not how it happens. So you can make money in this market, both shorting the market and investing and going long. So there's many different ways to invest in this market. And you can stake stuff. You can stake stuff for years and make great compounding interest on your staking, and just take advantage of the opportunity that lies before you in crypto. Because if you don't, it'll be just like everybody that missed out in the .com boom, in the internet boom, because a lot of those people are in crypto now because they knew they missed out then. They don't want to miss out again, and you shouldn't want to miss out either. So keep your heads up. I know the market's kind of boring. We do have the fact that we have Dogecoin pumping again And the fact that we have this Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, I think the market's kind of waiting on that too, like, because a lot rides on that for the entire crypto space. So, and I'm still working on putting together like an actual video for XRP, for Ripple, for all of that. I mean, it is my favorite coin. It is my favorite. It's my favorite crypto. I love the XRPL, and I just want to talk about it, And I could do that right now, but I want to I want to get stuff like written down, or at least, just, just actually, I want to talk about it off screen, you know, and then we'll just go from there. But yeah, man, I feel like I'm going a miles a minute. I feel like I'm going miles a minute. And I got a triple espresso from Starbucks. And maybe I am. Maybe that's not helping anything right now. But yeah, so the fact that we got stuff pumping 20% right now, like, personally, I don't think this bull run is over. I think we have more to go. I don't think I mean, it's possible that Bitcoin hits 100K this year. I don't think it's probable. I think more likely between 75K and 85K, because the fibs are there, and fibs pretty much don't lie, guys. Like, yeah, we do have overextensions because of pure momentum, and there's a lot of really good fundamentals that have been coming out about Bitcoin and other cryptos, and during this sideways trading action, and I don't know. I just don't think we got whole countries adopting Bitcoin. We got a city adopting Bitcoin to pay taxes, and it just seems like dominoes are falling everywhere, and I just think that coming up the later half of this month is just gonna be it's gonna be go time again. We're going back to the bulls taking over the market. Institutions they've got to be in by now. I don't know how much lower they're trying to get in at. They might try to push it down like one last time to really get it down. But the bulls have been, man, they've been like battling. They've been maintaining this line. Like, they've been staying in it. They're like, no, we're not falling below this line. We're not falling below 30K. We did once, and that was enough. So, or twice. I think we fell twice. But if we go a third time, then we're just gonna fall through it, guys. Like, that's just what's gonna happen. If we fall below this right here, 28,600. We fall below that line, we're probably going down to. We could see people are saying 24. I don't know why they say 24. I don't know if it's because it's almost like directly in the middle of this fib level here, but I could see it going down to here, just below 20K. I don't know, but I know that long term that this market is not going to go below its previous all-time high before it makes another new all-time high. I just don't believe I believe that's the case. I just don't see it going below the previous all-time high of 20,000 before it goes back above its new all-time high, its most recent all-time high at 65K, going above that. So, anyways, I'm just rambling at this point, guys. Like I said, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel. I love you guys. Love the LBC family, the LBC community. You guys are awesome. Come back and join me again for the next live stream. See you guys later. I am out of here in just a second after I figure this out. And yeah, blackout, baby. See you guys.